playing Minecraft, users get to decide between creative mode and survival mode. In the creative mode, players can create and build with unlimited materials. In this mode, the possibilities are endless, whether you want to build a treehouse or a roller coaster. What's more, your character can even fly in the sky. In survival mode, the player must be careful of monsters, such as zombies, from attacking at night. The player has 10 hearts, and once all are gone, you lose all the materials or loot that you have gathered up. Players can eat food to regain their hunger, and once their hunger is full, their hearts are also gained back. Players respawn once they have died and must find their materials again. Players can build shelters by mining wood logs from trees and make weapons to fight back the monsters in order to survive.